Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and I'm here with another drive-in video. So we're here just off Red Hills Road, and we'll be going around to Constant Spring Road. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Remember to like, comment, and share, because we're heading to 10,000 subscribers, and I need all you guys' help. So stay tuned, guys, while we go on another community drive. And welcome back. Alright, so we're starting out the video right here at the Burger King on Red Hills Road. We have Lee's Grocers right across the road. That's Lee's Food Fair. That's a supermarket. So that's where we're starting off the drive today. Alright, so today we're doing a slant camera view. Some persons have requested, that when I'm doing a community drive, rather than have the camera straight ahead, I have it slanted to one angle. So that's what we're doing today. Hopefully it's not slanted too much, so I'll give it this angle. Alright, so we're heading on to Elizabeth Avenue, coming off Red Hills Terrace. We have a Texaco gas station on the left with Lee's Food Fair on the right. It's a morning drive, so the sun is in the sky, bright and bold. So if you guys get any blurriness, I apologize for that. The sun is shining in all its glory. Alright, so this is Elizabeth Avenue, and we're heading on to Westward Avenue, then on to West Avenue, then Constant Spring Road. So this is a very residential community. House prices in these areas for like a 4 or 5 bedroom, start anywhere in the high 20s. So very residential, quiet, a few apartment complexes as well. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Continue enjoying the drive. Alright, so we're on to Westward Avenue now. We're gonna head out to West Avenue, and we're gonna go up West Avenue onto Constant Spring Road. Past the Caribbean School of Theology on the left. We have an ex-Jamaica Theology Seminar on the left. Quite a few apartment complexes in these areas. Grove Park Avenue on the left. at Constant Spring Road, which connects with West Avenue. So we have the the Oaklands apartment complex right in front of me. It's a very massive community, but you have to get permission to go inside. So it's a mixture of apartment complexes, townhouses, but it's a big community. You also saw a glimpse in the right of the screen a while ago. So if it wasn't gated, I didn't need permission to go over there, I would probably do a driving video of over there. But if any of you guys are watching, and live by Oaklands or have a close friend, family over by Oaklands that would grant me permission, I would mind. I would go over there and do a driving video just to share that community with you guys. So we're now on Mannings Road, just past the Mary Brown's gas station. And we are on Mannings Road. Right, so basically driving from Reviews Road onto Elizabeth Avenue, onto West Avenue, then onto Constant Spring Road, and now on Mannings Road. So these thoroughfares are some of the busiest when it comes to peak hour traffic. Again, a few apartment complexes on and off Mannings Road. And again, guys, remember to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers within a month. I know it's a big ask, but it's also about setting goals. I think this is a great channel, and I know you guys share that sentiments as well, in terms of the stuff that I highlight, the development, the reviews, the construction, and I think this channel needs to continue growing. So let's all help by doing our part. We can share a video, we can like a video, we can subscribe if we're new. So we have Midway Mall on the right. You can subscribe if you're new. You can tell a friend about the channel. You can borrow somebody's phone and just click that subscribe button. So whatever you can do, it's highly appreciated. And once you liking and commenting the video will help YouTube to push the video to other persons that have never watched the content before, so that helps. So we're now on Roehampton Drive. Sorry. So Roehampton Drive. And we'll end the video right in front of Price Mart, so you guys can have an idea of where we started, where we ended. Alright guys, so stay tuned and continue to enjoy the drive. Again, this is Roehampton Drive, and it will connect us back onto Reviews Road. so that's Price Mart in front of us, and we're back on Red Hills Road. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this far. Really appreciate the support. Thank you for commenting in advance. Thank you for liking the video in advance. Thank you for subscribing in advance. Really appreciate it. Just want to show you guys the front view of Price Mart, or the entrance, sorry. Alright, so we know they have upstairs parking. This is a membership shopping club. They offer some great prices when it comes to food, groceries, household item. They're gonna build a second one in Portmore. Some person is saying it's more needed, you know, in Montego Bay or even Mandeville, which is way outside of Kingston. Persons leave from a lot of different parishes to come to Price Mart. So this one is always full, it's always busy. They're doing super successful. So let's see how they expand over time. Alright guys, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for liking. And I'll definitely see you on another video.